I remember working on a nonprofit video where a volunteer shared their story. As they spoke, their voice cracked with emotion. That moment became the heart of the project, moving the audience to action. It's moments like these that show the true power of emotional storytelling. And today, I'm going to show you how to create videos that make people feel and remember. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to uncover and amplify emotional moments in your footage. And if you're ready to take your storytelling to the next level, grab my free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop and check out my Start with Story, End with Wow master course. The links are below. Okay, let's dive in. Emotion is the universal language of storytelling. It's what makes your audience care and share. Here's why it matters. If you're a documentary filmmaker, a single soundbite of someone sharing their struggles or triumphs can define your entire story. Maybe you produce videos for a nonprofit. A child's smile or a volunteer's heartfelt thank you can inspire action. For business storytellers, a customer's transformation builds trust and connection. So, what's the most emotional moment you've ever captured? Keep that in mind as we move forward. Emotion doesn't just happen, it's crafted. The right visuals amplify feelings and leave a lasting impact. Here's how you can do it. Number 1, close-ups. Highlight raw emotions like a tear rolling down a cheek or a spontaneous laugh. 2, lighting. Use warm tones for intimacy and joy, or cooler tones for sadness and introspection. Number 3, music. The right track enhances the emotional pull of any scene. All right, let's talk about finding and enhancing emotional moments and how AI can save you time and help you uncover the emotional gems in your footage. So here's one example. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features can instantly tag clips with key emotional expressions. Imagine finding every heartfelt smile or tear in seconds. No more hunting through hours of footage. If you've been hesitant about AI, this could be your invitation to try it. It's easier than you think. Finding this helpful? If you're ready to go all in and learn how to make what I call wow videos, check out my master course, Start with Story, End with Wow, where I'll guide you step by step to create videos that people won't forget. The links are in the description. Once you've found your emotional moments, it's time to build your story. Every story needs a beginning, a middle, and end, and emotion should guide each and every step. So here's the framework. Number 1, start strong. Grab attention with an emotional hook. 2, build tension. Balance highs and lows to keep your audience engaged. 3, end with impact. Leave a lasting impression, whether it's a smile, a tear, maybe a spark of inspiration. Think of your story as a roller coaster. Label the highs and lows so you can guide your audience through an unforgettable journey. So here's my challenge. Look at your latest footage and identify 3 emotional moments. Spot them, amplify them with close-ups, lighting, and music, and then build your story around them. Then take these next steps. Number 1, watch my free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop. Number 2, check out my master course to take your storytelling to the next level. And remember, great stories don't just capture attention, they touch hearts. Now it's your turn to create something unforgettable. Thanks for watching.